This video is made in partnership with New Chapter Vitamins. Welcome back to TWN TV. Today at the TWN Academy, we're talking all about fish oil. We're getting to the root of why it's even a thing and if you should be taking it. We're going to dive into why it's super popular, find out if I think you're part of the population that should be taking it, and what to be on the lookout for before picking up any old bottle on the shelf. So why is this stuff so popular? Well, it's popular because it contains two types of omega-3 fatty acids. One's called EPA and the other's called DHA. The omegas are a type of fatty acid that have been shown in clinical trials to reduce the risk of heart disease, decrease inflammation all around the body, and just be really good for the heart. As Americans, we're constantly eating foods that do the opposite. Many of the foods that we eat aren't so good for our hearts. They cause inflammation, and too much of that over time can be a problem. So taking a concentrated form of these omegas is one way to make sure that you're getting enough of the good stuff in, even if you're not directly eating it. There are a few populations that I think should strongly consider taking a fish oil supplement. That's going to be people that don't eat or like fish. Fish is one of the healthiest foods as long as it's not genetically modified, farmed, and pumped with hormones. Just like everything else we put in our body, it's super important to make sure that the fish we're eating is of a high quality, because high quality fish are going to be the ones packed with the healthy oils. These omegas, to be specific. It's really hard to get in both EPA and DHA consistently, especially if you're not eating fish. So for those that hate fish, I get it. I hated it as a kid. A fish oil supplement is going to be a good idea to consider. The second population are those at risk for heart disease, with heart disease, or if you have a family member that had heart condition in the past. A fish oil supplement is going to be very important in helping to protect what keeps you ticking. The third population are going to be those that live in places or have situations where fish is either too expensive, inaccessible, or the quality is just really poor. Getting quality fish isn't easy for everyone, and I totally get that, but the current recommendation for getting in these omegas from fish specifically is still 2 to 3 times a week. It's just not possible for everyone. And that's why a quality supplement can be really helpful here. Now, here's the thing. Quality matters. So you need to know what to be on the lookout for before you pick up your fish oil supplement. Most of them on the shelf are going to be highly processed, which destroys the important nutrients along the way, like the super important antioxidants and vitamin D3 that we really want to be getting in. Most of them come from fish that are genetically modified or farmed, which means they are not pure, that they contain probably some nasty ingredients, and most of them use any type of fish to get in these omegas. Here's the thing. The type of fish plays a role in how effective the supplement's going to be, so not any old fish is going to work. And number 4, most supplements aren't focused on sustainability. They don't care about conserving the fish numbers and overall ocean health or the future of our planet, which is something that we all need to be considering. Wild Alaskan salmon is the gold star when it comes to omegas. That's because it contains the most astaxanthin due to the food that it eats in the ocean. All right, so what's astaxanthin? It's basically just a very powerful antioxidant when it comes to inflammation, blood flow, and protecting our cells. The whole mega fish oil supplement from New Chapter uses 100% Alaskan salmon from the Alaskan waters, where, really cool actually, sustainability is written into the law. Alaska is basically the gold standard of sustainable fishing. The salmon is not genetically modified, and it's extracted and processed in a much more gentle way. That way it preserves the 17 omega fatty acids, natural antioxidants, and vitamin D3. I'm going to link it in the show notes so you can check it out if you or a family member would benefit. Comment below and let me know what you do to make sure you're getting enough omegas in your diet. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.